And Ashley McKinney, that's what she's up here. 25 CR 125. We call John James Loring, and that's you,
Yes, sir.
with Mr. Dusler, your attorney and the state's attorney. And what are we going to do today?
Judge, this is his first appearance that I met with him. He tells me that he's in the process of talking to Buddy Reynolds about hiring him. So if the court could give him 4 weeks, I think he could get close.
Okay, you are, just to make sure that you understand fully, you are charged with the state jail felony of theft of property here in paragraph 1. And that would be a state jail felony normally, carrying with it up to 2 years in the state jail, but you have 3 prior felony convictions out of, oh, there's another page. 4 listed here in the indictment, 2 on October 28th, 2009, out of burglaries of habitations out of Hardin County District Court. Thereafter, those were final, it is alleged in paragraph 3 of page 2 that you committed the felony of burglary of a habitation and were convicted in district court in 2014 in clause number 20272. After that became final, you committed the felony of burglary of a habitation and were convicted another burglary and convicted of that one in the 260th District Court of Orange County, Texas. So it's my understanding the way this is pleaded, if all of this was true, you were looking at a state jail felony, but it is punished as though it were a second degree felon. So you were looking at no less than 2, no more than 20 years confinement in prison, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. You understand what you're looking at?
Yes, sir.
All right, the court has looked at this probable cause. What is the bond in this case?
I believe it's 10,000.
$10,000. Looking at a public safety report that is dated February 11th of this year. Are you appointed on this?
Yes, sir. This is the first time, you know.
So your bond is $10,000? Is that what it is?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The court is going to modify the bond in this case because the court does not trust you with this prolific criminal history. I want you to be on home confinement. You have to have a GPS device on you by the end of this day. And I want to, so I'll know where you are at all times. I don't trust you in this, looking at all of this. This is terrible.
So it's going to
No, I'm speaking.
Yes, sir.
You have so many convictions here.
Yes.
And these just aren't burglaries of anything. These are burglaries of people's homes over and over and over and over again. And the probable cause affidavit here alleges you took somebody's credit card and misused it.
It was given to me.
You know what? This is not a debate. It's what the probable cause, and you can, the grand jury indicted you based upon these facts. You're presumed innocent. But there is probable cause to believe you committed this crime based upon these facts. Okay. Here's my favorite part. In the probable cause, you told the victim here, by the way, it was $8,000, over $8,000 in charges. Boy, borrowed it for $8,000. I've never heard of such a thing. Who would trust you in for a dime? I wouldn't give you a quarter of mine to hold. I wouldn't trust it. And what did you say here? You would pay the funds back according to this probable cause, but you never did.
Yes, sir.
Which is what the probable cause states under oath. That is, when did you pay this back? These people.
I started paying them on May.
No. When did you pay it back? You said you paid it back. When did you pay it back?
I was making payments with them.
You haven't paid it back, have you?
Not the
Completely?
full amount, no.
See,
No, sir.
you're trying to take my wallet right in front of me.
No, sir.
Yes, I said, did you pay it? You said I paid it back. You
Oh,
haven't
no, sir,
paid
not the
it.
full amount, no, sir.
Do I have to cross-examine you to get the truth out? This is
No, sir, I
terrible.
was making payments with them. Yes, sir.
Mhm, yeah. You are certified thief. All these convictions. And then you come up into here, I should have put you under oath because you can't even be straightforward with me right now. You're hedging in your statements. I got to correct you to get the right information. Yeah, good luck. Because all of this is admissible, which the jury can consider in evaluating your credibility at a trial. It doesn't take 6 convictions of burglaries to convince anybody that you are a dangerous person and not an honest person. And here you are, charged with that. Again, probable cause to believe that happened. All right. The end of the day, you're at home confinement. You have a GPS device. You don't leave home except for the following things: for a medical need, to get food, to go to and from work. And those are the most direct routes possible. You have to have that by the end of the day. If I don't learn that you have it on you by the end of the day, a warrant will be issued for your arrest and you will have no bond. You will sit that out until we get around to getting this case done. So I'm considering raising your bond anyway. Just for the way you handled yourself and not being forthright. Your bond ought to be 6 figures, what it ought to be. Oh, you think your criminal history and a new charge
I know, sir.
aren't worthy of that? Okay.
But I know.
There's a way to fix all of this, but you should have fixed it 6 convictions ago. All right. Back to you, Don.
Buddy Reynolds is representing him on a misdemeanor. He's working on hiring him. So he's trying to get money together to get Buddy hired. So we're asking 4 weeks.
Huh?
He's asking for 4 weeks.
You don't get it. You got 2 weeks. That's all. That's all you're going to get with me. I don't trust you at all. From what you say to me and your prolific criminal history. We'll see you back in 2 weeks. Get in, reset.